Students, already we have started some multiple angles and we have got the values of sine 18 degree. Now from sine 18 degree we have to we can find other values also. Therefore cos 18 already we have got. The previous video already I have explained about how we get sine 18 degree. It's coming minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 4, or we can write root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, therefore cos 18 degree will be how much? Cos 18 degree will be 1 square root of, we know, square root of 1 minus sine square 18 degree. Okay, so it is coming square root of 1 minus sine square 18 degree means root 5 minus 1. We can write this minus 1 whole divided by 4 whole square. Okay, so it is coming by, just do the calculation part, we will get this 1 by 4. It is coming, it will be 10 to root 5. 10 to root 5. Okay, similarly now therefore cos 36 degree. 36 degree means cos 2 into 18 degrees. So again cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta means we can write 1 minus cos 36 degree. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So 1 minus 2 sine square theta means 18 degree. Here also put the value. Now sine 18 degree value we know, put it here, we will get the answer. Cos 36 degree, just put the value, we will get root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is cos 36 degree. Put the value of sine 18 degree, we will get this answer. Okay. Next is sine 54 degree. How to get sine 54 degree? 54 degree we can write as sine 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 gives us 54. Where the sine 90 minus theta, again we know that is equals to cos theta. So it is coming cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree value already we have got. So cos 36 degree and sine 54 degree value same. Now cos 54 degree. Cos 54 degree means cos 90 minus 36. Now again cos 90 minus theta means sin theta. That is coming sin 36 degree. Sin 36 degree. If we know cos 36 degree, easily we can find sin 36 degree also. So sin 36 degree and cos 54 degree value same. Now sin 72 degree. Sin 72 degree means sin 90 minus 80. 90 minus 80 means sin 90 minus theta, that gives us cos 18. Okay. Now cos 18 degree value is what? This one. So this value and sin 72 same value. Now cos 72 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 18. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin 18 degree. Now sin 18 degree is what? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. So sin 18 degree and cos 72 degree, these values are also same. So this was the theory part, and using these values also we can solve the sums from the exercise. Now we will start the exercise sums. Exercise 7, section 2. Okay, now exercise 7, section 2, sum number 1, part 6. Prove that sec alpha minus tan alpha is equal to cot pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. This way to prove. Okay. Now left hand side is already written sec alpha minus tan alpha, which is equal to sec alpha we can write as 1 by cos alpha, and tan alpha we can write as sin alpha by cos alpha. So ultimately we will get 1 minus sin alpha by cos alpha. Now 1 equals to what? 1 equals to sin alpha means now sin 2 theta we know 2 sin theta cos theta from multiple angles, and some multiple angles we know sin theta will be 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So here what we will write? Here we will write 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 by, again cos alpha is there, so this cos alpha we can write as cos square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha by 2. Done. So now a square plus b square minus twice ab, numerator a square plus b square minus twice ab. So this is equals to a minus b whole square. So we can write sin alpha by 2 minus cos alpha by 2 whole square. Okay. And the denominator cos square alpha by 2 minus sin square a square minus b square. So better write cos alpha by 2 plus this. Okay, so sin alpha by 2 minus cos alpha by 2 whole square is there. So here we can write sin alpha by 2 minus cos alpha by 2 whole square, or we can write cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2. So numerator and denominator 1 cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 we can cancel, and 1 cos alpha by 2 will be there only. Okay. Instead of this directly we can write it here. So 1 this and this will be cancelled. It is coming plus sin alpha by 2. Now dividing both numerator and denominator by sin alpha by 2, then what we will get? 2 minus sin alpha by 2 whole divided by sin alpha by 2. By this equals 2 cos by sin means tan. Sorry, cot. So it is coming cot alpha by 2 minus 1. And here also cot alpha by 2 plus 1. Okay, cot alpha by 2 plus 1. Now, this is cot alpha by 2 minus 1 only is there. So here we can write cot alpha by 2 means 1 into cot alpha by 2. 1 means cot pi by 4. We know tan 45 degree and cot 45 degree, both the values are 1. So instead of cot alpha by 2, 1 into cot alpha by 2, we can write cot pi by 4 into cot alpha by 2 minus 1 divided by cot alpha by 2 plus 1. So here we will write cot alpha by 2 plus cot pi by 4. So cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B, or cot B plus cot A. That is equals to cot of A plus B. Cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B means cot of A minus B. Cot of A plus B, sorry. Cot of A plus B means this one. So it is coming cot of plus B. Pi by 4 plus alpha by 2, which is equal to right hand side. That is only proved. Good sum. Okay. So next sum coming with new video, because if I start now it will take minimum another 5 or 6 minutes, then video will be too long. Okay, coming with new video.